Felco number 2s, I've been using these for 40 years. I cut hundreds and hundreds of roses with them. And lately, the older I'm getting in my 70s, I'm finding a pain in my arms because I've been pruning so many for so long. Felco's first came out in 1948, so that's how good they are. So very hard to replace, and I know the purists will say there's nothing that can replace it. Look, maybe not, because you can get provision with them. But as you know, Stanley Black Decker, they've sent me out some tools to try. And one of them they've sent out is battery pruners. Oh, you can't use them on roses, they say. Well, you can actually. It's so easy. After pruning 150 roses in the last few days, my arm is as normal as it will ever be. There's no soreness whatsoever. Had I done them with the Felcos, I probably would have had to delay a day to recover or have the hand in a bucket of ice, because it really does, play on me, especially when you get into the thicker, more woodier vines with the roses. It's hard, but with this, it's so easy. So one thing about this, of course, you've got to treat it with respect. It's a brute of a thing, because you put your finger in there, it's gone. I ended up in hospital last year, as you'll see here, laying in the bed. I cut myself with the Felco number 2s on the little finger, and it split it down the middle. Microsurgery, everything's fine. Silly thing I did, someone else distracted me. Had it been this, I wouldn't have had to worry about microsurgery, because I wouldn't have had a finger. That's how severe. Treat them like as if it's a chainsaw. Treat them with respect, and they'll be a really good friend to you. So obviously with any rose pruning, sunglasses. I use sunglasses because they're prescription. I'm as blind as a bat, so I need those. Rose pruning, you've really got to be, if you don't want to see a lot of blood. Now this thing, it's got a 2-stage where it's a safety aspect. So if you had it and it won't start, so you've got to engage the safety trigger, and then away we go. So I keep my hand clear. Now it took me a while to get used to lining up on the node, but after a few rose bushes it was quite easy. So you can see that was a quite simple, clean cut. And what I like about it, when you get the really woody bits, you don't have to go out to the ute. Don't go and get the big pruner saws, get the pruning saw itself. This will handle up to 40 mil. So it operates on a 5Ah battery. It's not that heavy. It looks bulky, but you know what? I love it being bulky, because I can manoeuvre in, I can push away. Whereas in the Felcos, my hand is ripping into the vines, whereas this, you've got the ability to push away, and that's a great advantage. Look, it's not the fastest. There's other brands, 1.25 seconds. Now, that doesn't concern me, because once I line that up, bang, I've got it. I don't need to go like I would if I was in an orchard. In an orchard, you need speed, because you've got thousands and thousands of vines to get through. Makita's 0.3 of a second is a lot faster. Look, if DeWalt made it faster, look, it might suit some people. Personally, I don't care. It's fine. What I love about it, it's a clean cut. You can use a lighter battery if you needed to. Now, to prevent cutting my finger off, I always take one hand off and just cut it up into small pieces. You see, look, no matter what size it is, it cuts through quite easily. And believe it or not, the weight's not too bad. I had my wife the other day. She was we're up in the farm. She's pruning agapanthus, deheading them, and she used it, and she found it all right. It got a little bit heavy for her after a while, so it is, it is a little bit weighty, but it really, certainly does the job. So as you can see, no problem going through heavy stuff. There's a good 30 mil there, and it's quite easy. The battery pruner is really beneficial when you're doing branches and cutting up twigs and whatever. It really makes it easy. Here we, our little cherry tree. So there's a clean cut quite simple. You know, some ones I've cut before. Beautiful clean cut. Not a problem at all. Couldn't do that with a secateurs. And the old cherry tree, I never get cherries because I'm too lazy. I'll keep forgetting to put the netting over it, and the birds beat us to the cherries every year. I said to the wife, we don't get cherries this year, it's going. So we've got loads and loads of budding flowers to come on, so hopefully we'll do well this year. So look, whether you get a DeWalt or, you know, if you've got a DeWalt battery system, it's certainly worth considering. But there is other brands out there. It's a personal choice. But as I say, if you're already on the platform of the batteries, I'd certainly recommend it. It does the job. Look, no tool's perfect. As I say, some people would like a bit more speed on the cutting, perhaps. You know, that's a one thing or the other. But I like it. It's strong. It's you know, you can use a lighter battery if you needed to. So the DeWalt, the battery pruner.